Hello, good day. In this virtual class, we're going to find um, the mean of this data. I say the variance of 5 positive integers is 2, and the summation of the square of each data is 90. Is 90. Say find the mean of the data. Now, what is the formula for variance in the first place? Variance x summation open bracket x minus x bar the close bracket or square divide by n. Okay, in case of this 5 data x1 x2 to x5. Here the variance is given as 2. Okay, the number of data are 5 of them here. So if we look at this summation. Let's first of all treat this summation x minus x bar square. Okay, so first thing, let's expand what is in the bracket. X minus x bar square simply mean x minus x bar in one place, open bracket, x minus x bar into another bracket. If this is expanded, this become x times x, this give a x square minus x times minus x bar, that give us minus x bar, then minus x bar times x, that also give a x bar irrespective of the order, then minus s bar times minus s bar, that give a plus s bar square. So let's close the bracket. Now we apply the summation on every expression within the bracket. But first of all, let's also simplify further. This is x square minus s bar minus x bar, that gives minus 2x bar plus s bar square. So let's close this bracket. Then let's apply the summation sign upon each of these. This become summation s square. Now here mean is a constant. The mean is a constant. So here become minus 2 or x bar. The summation will only be applied to x. Okay, that is summation x plus. Now if this summation multiply the s, or which is s bar, which is also a constant, become n x bar square. Okay, so we're just trying to see how this we can simplify the expression. So this becomes summation x s square minus 2x bar summation x plus remember n is 5, so this become 5 s bar square. Okay, now we also notice that mean, which is s bar, for such data is x summation s bar over n. Okay, let's find an expression for summation x. So if we do this, if we cross multiply, it therefore means that summation x is the same thing as n times x bar. Okay, so we substitute in place of s bar here. We substitute n s bar. Remember that n is 5. So here the whole expression here becomes summation s square minus 2 s bar, okay, open bracket, 5x bar, okay, 5x bar plus 5s bar square. Now remember here 2 times 5 is 10. Then s bar times s bar is s bar square. So this becomes summation s square minus 10, or s bar square plus 5x bar square. Okay, so we are trying to simplify just the numerator of this. So if we look at this, this one is minus 10s bar square plus 5s bar square. That's eventually the whole expression here become summation s square minus 5s bar square. Okay, that is the numerator. Okay, so but we know that the variance is 2, so we could simply say that the numerator here over 5, which is n, is equivalent to 2. So here all we need to do is simply to cross multiply, and if we do this, this becomes summation x square minus 5 s bar square is equals to 5 multiplied 2, that gives 10. Now we have that the sum of each of the data, that means which is this summation s square, is 90. So this expression here is 90, so we'll replace it here with 90 minus summation 90 minus 5 s bars square is equals to 10. Okay, so let's move this one to this side and bring 10 here. This become 90. This is plus 10 become minus 10. This is negative 5. This become 5 s bar square. So here become 80 is equals to 5 s bar square. Okay, so all we need to do is to divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. So that here we have a s bar square. 80 divide 5, that gives us 16. Now s bar square, okay, is the same thing. Here we can say this is 4 square, so that x bar, which is the mean, is equals to 4. This is how to resolve our question of this nature. Please, if you find this video very useful, help me subscribe and also share on your social media platform, and also leave comments on how I can do this much more better. See you in my next virtual class.